Hello students, welcome to E-classes of P.N. Amersay High School. We will continue with our chapter number 6, Integers. Question number 5 of exercise 6.1, chapter number 6, Integers. Following is the list of temperature of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. Students, here a list of temperature of 5 places in India is given on a particular day of a year. Here you can see places, temperature as an integer. It's given. Place is Siachen. Temperature is 10 degrees Celsius below 0 degree Celsius. Shimla 2 degrees Celsius below 0 degree Celsius. Ahmedabad 30 degrees Celsius above 0 degree Celsius. Delhi 20 degrees Celsius above 0 degree Celsius. Srinagar 5 degrees Celsius below 0 degree Celsius. A part of question number 5. Write the temperatures of these places in the form of integer in the blank column. Here we have to write down the temperature in the blank column in the form of integers. Students, here you can see place is given Siachen and the temperature is 10 degrees Celsius below 0 degree Celsius. As I've explained you earlier, if below is written, then we have to add minus sign to the integer. So the answer is minus 10 degree Celsius. Next is Shimla. Temperature is 2 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. Again below is there, so we will write minus 2 degree Celsius. Then Ahmedabad is given 30 degree above 0 degree Celsius. Here above word is given, so we will write plus 30 degree Celsius. Then Delhi 20 degrees Celsius above 0 degrees Celsius. Here also above is given, so we will write plus 20 degree Celsius. Then Srinagar 5 degrees Celsius below 0 degree Celsius. Here again below word is given, so we will write minus 5 degree Celsius. So in this way you have to fill the blank spaces by writing integers. Now B part of question number 5. Following is the number line representing the temperature in degrees Celsius. Plot the name of the city against its temperature. Students, in your textbook a number line is given representing the temperature in degrees Celsius. We have to plot the name of the city against its temperature. As we have solved A part of question number 5, where we have seen that the temperature of Siachen was minus 10 degrees Celsius, temperature of Shimla was minus 2 degrees Celsius, Ahmedabad was plus 30 degrees Celsius, Delhi the temperature was 20 degrees Celsius plus, and Srinagar minus 5 degrees Celsius. So these temperature we have to plot on the number line. So students, in this way you have to form a number line where 0 is written here, and on the right hand side positive temperature we will write, and on negative side on left side negative temperatures we will write down. As the temperature of Siachen was minus 10 degrees, so here minus 10 is here on the number line, so we'll put an arrow and write Siachen over it. Then the temperature of Shimla was minus 2 degree, so here 0 is there and here minus 5 is there on a number line. So we will count here. After 0, this one point is 1 and the second point is 2. So we will put an arrow and write Shimla over here. The temperature of Ahmedabad was plus 30 degree. So plus means it will be on the right hand side of this 0. So here at 30 we will write Ahmedabad. And the temperature of Delhi was 20 degrees. So on 20 degree here we will put an arrow and write Delhi. And then Srinagar minus 5 degree. So here at minus 5 degree we will put an arrow and write Srinagar. In this way you have to plot the names of the city against its temperature. Now C part of question number 5, which is the coolest place. Students, we have to find out the coolest place. Students, here you can see in the table that the places which has negative temperature will be the coolest than the places with positive temperature. So here the places with negative temperature are Srinagar, Shimla and Siachen. So here the greatest number from these 10, 2 and 5 will be the coolest place. So here Siachen, which has minus 10 degrees Celsius of temperature, is the coolest place. So the answer of C part of question number 5 is Siachen, minus 10 degrees Celsius. Now D part of question number 5. Write the names of the places where temperature are about 10 degrees C. So as we have seen in the table that Delhi and Ahmedabad has 20 degree and 30 degree of temperature. So Delhi and Ahmedabad are the places where the temperature is above 10 degrees Celsius. Question number 6 of exercise 6.1. In each of the following pairs, which number is to the right of the other on the number line? Here we have to find out from the following pairs which number is to the right of the number line. Now solution for question number 6. A part of question number 6 is 2 and 9. We have to find out which number is towards the right of the other on a number line. Students, now you have seen the number line. On the number line 0 is at the center, and then on the right hand side positive integers are there, and on the negative side, on the left hand side, negative integers are there. So you can see that on number line, after 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on numbers are written. So we can say that on the number line 9 is to the right of 2. B part of question number 6, minus 3 and minus 8. So here also on the number line minus 3 is to the right of minus 8. Here the numbers which are greater will be on the right hand side. From 2 and 9, 9 is the greater number. So 9 will be on the right hand side of 2. And from minus 3 and minus 8, minus 3 is the greater number. As I've explained you earlier, in negative integers, the number which are smaller are greater than the numbers which are greater. So minus 3 will be the greatest number than minus 8. So on the number line minus 3 is to the right of minus 8. Students, C, D, E, F part of question number 6 you have to do by yourself. Question number 7. Write all the integers between the given pairs. Write them in increasing order. Here few pairs are given. We have to write down the integers which are between these pairs, and we have to write them in increasing order. Now A part of question number 7, the pair which is given is 0 and minus 7. We have to write down the integers between 0 and minus 7, but that also in an increasing order. Here from 0 and minus 7, 0 is the greatest number and minus 7 is the smallest number. So the integers between 0 and minus 7 are minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1. B part of question number 7, minus 4 and 4. Here also we have to write down the integers between minus 4 and 4, and it should be in increasing order. The numbers between minus 4 and 4 are minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So we will write here as integers between minus 4 and 4 are minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Students, C and D part of question number 7 you have to do by yourself. Students, with this we end our today's video and will continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.